So welcome to another video of Quality Reptiles. A lot of things are happening right now. My Tegus are out of hibernation, and there are probably some new black dragon eggs on their way from both females that I have, and we are building the water monitor enclosures, and one of the enclosures is already far along. To make sure that I can pay my bills in the future, I let professionals put some solar panels on my roof. In total, it are 88 solar panels, and it will probably give me at least 2/3 of my electricity that I use at this moment back. So that's a really big amount. So this is Sora, and Sora, it has a lot of good looking eggs in her belly. I'm making an ultrasound, and you can see there are eggs in oval shape, and there are eggs that are round, and this has to do with how there is a cut through made by the ultrasound. Then they are cutting it like this, and if it's a round, then you see it from this side. This is a dried egg from last season from the black dragons, and normally they are a little bit bigger on the end of the incubation because they are still full with moist with water, and this one is dried, so it's a little bit smaller than normal, but still it's giant. So thank you for watching this video. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and please like and subscribe. Bye. So I expect her to lay eggs soon. I saw that Zelda, the other black dragon female that I have, that she was ovulating because she has a really big round belly. So she's making eggs at this moment. So I put her with the male, and hopefully she will get some fertilized eggs also. So she will lay some eggs a little bit later than Zora is. So if you are interested in one of the black dragons, there's a big demand on them. I have probably between 10 and 25 babies this year. They will be DNA sexed, and so it's 100% sure if it's a male or a female. So thank you for watching this video. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and please like and subscribe. Bye.